Check. Hey, good morning. Okay, so how are you today? Hey, that's good that you are happy and great. Okay, before we start our class, can we answer my question? What day is it today? Okay, so today is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, what about yesterday? Okay, very good. Tuesday was yesterday. Now my question is, are you ready? I think you're not ready. Again, are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, give me one cup. If you are ready, hands up. If you are ready, hands down. If you are ready, raise your rulers. Okay, you're not ready. Okay, if you are ready, put your rulers down. If you are ready, raise your books. Okay, put your books down. If you are ready, raise your mathematics notebook. Go. Okay, put your notebooks down. Okay, so very good that you are ready. Okay, so last Friday we talked about Length. What is that? Everyone spell length. Again, what is the spelling of length? L, go. Okay, Length and H. Okay, so back in the days, as what I've said, back in the days, our ancestors used their palms to measure objects. So they do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it is time consuming and it is not precise, not correct. So good thing today that we have different measuring tools. Okay, do you still remember what are the measuring tools that we discussed? Okay, if you want to answer, raise your hand. Give me one measuring tool. Okay, eyes?
Metal measuring tape.
Metal measuring tape is correct. Okay, stop. Let's give eyes 2 claps and 1 stomp. Go. Okay, very good. Eyes, we have metal measuring tape. What else? Chumpo. Punch. Measuring wheel. Okay, let's give punch 2 claps silent on the first clap. Ready? Go. Okay. Okay, so what is silent? 2 claps silent on the first clap. How to do that? 1, 2. Okay, so we have metal measuring tape. We have measuring wheel. What else? Junior? Ruler. Very good. We also have your rulers. Okay, very good. Let's give Junior 2 claps silent on the second clap. What is second? Okay, ready? Go. Not perfect, but let's continue. So we have metal measuring tape. We have measuring wheel. We have rulers. What else? Yes.
Measuring.
Very good. Measuring tape. Okay, there's one more. Yes. Meter stick. Okay, let's give Full and Candice 5 claps. Together, go. Okay. So today I brought, what's this? Okay, I have metal measuring tape. I also have magic. Okay, what's this? Actually, it's not mine. It's Chugon's ruler. Okay, Chugon, may I borrow your ruler? Okay, thank you, Chugon. So today I have ruler, metal measuring tape, and measuring tape. Now, we already talked about units of measurements. We have millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Now, my question is, what is the symbol for millimeters? Yes, Junior? MM. Okay. What about the symbol of centimeters? Chugon? CM. Okay. What about the symbol of meters? M. Okay, very good. Who? What about the symbol of kilometers? Kanun. KM. Wow, very good. You still remember our topic last Friday. Okay, so, and after we talk about measuring tools, we talk about units of measurements, we also learn how to convert. Okay? For example, 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. 1 meter has 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer has 1,000 centimeters. Okay, just a recap. I have a question. 5 questions that you need to answer. It's all about conversion. The question is, how many millimeters is in 2 centimeters? Again, the question is, how many millimeters is in 2 centimeters? Yes! Since Junior raised his hand first, Junior, what's your answer?
20 millimeters.
20 millimeters is correct. Very good. Okay, Junior, let's give Junior 2 claps, 1 stomp. Ready? Go. Okay, next question. Yesterday, I ran. Okay, I ran. Ta-da! I ran in the park. And it took me 5 kilometers. Okay, so may I ask how many meters is in 5 kilometers? Again, the question is how many meters is in 5 kilometers? Patty? 500 meters. Stop. Okay, let's give Patty a chance. Patty, if 1 kilometer has 1,000 meters, if 2 kilometer has 2,000 meters, 5 kilometer has 5,000. Exactly. Very good. Let's give Patty 2 claps. I didn't say go. Let's give Patty 2 claps and 2 stamps. Go. Okay. Everyone, hands up. Hands on your desk. Okay. So today, we will continue our topic. Everyone can read what's on the monitor. Solving. Go. Stop. Solving word problems involving length. And of course, we will use the 4 basic operation in mathematics. Do you still remember what are the 4 basic operations in mathematics? Yes? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the last one is earth. Okay, very good. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But first, let's use. I can hear you. Okay, so let's start with addition and subtraction. So when we deal solving word problems, we have to read. We have to understand And we have to analyze what operation are we going to use. And of course, we have keywords. But the problem is, do you still remember the keywords? Okay, just the same with solving word problems before. When we deal with maths, when we deal with money, it's just the same with length. For example, if you have the keyword sum, what do you think or what operation are you going to use? Sum. Is it addition or subtraction? Addition. What about if you have the keyword difference? Subtraction. Total. Altogether. Product. Okay, multiplication. How much shorter? Subtraction. How much longer? Okay, so let's start now. Do you know what's this? It's a water bottle, bottled water. And then I have tumbler. Okay. Okay, so let's talk first. Addition. Okay, so my question is, we will measure the height of the bottled water and then the height of the tumbler. And then, let's find out the total. Okay? Total. The keyword is total. Everyone spell total. Okay, so if you have the keyword total, what operation are we going to use? Addition, right? Now, let's measure the height of the bottled water using ruler. Okay, everyone? In centimeter, can you see at the back? Starting from the tip.
I can't see that. Maybe like
Iba?
16 I can't see.
Okay. Okay. How long is it for? 20?
23.
23. Okay, so I will write here 23. 23 meter or centimeter? Centimeter. What is the unit of centimeter again? I'm sorry, what is the symbol? cm. Again, so 23 centimeters. Total. Again, we will use addition. Is this addition?
No.
Is this addition?
No.
What is addition? Okay, write on the board addition, please. Patty, write the symbol of. Okay. What is the symbol of addition? Okay, thank you, Patty. Very good. This is the symbol of addition. And we read this one as plus. Okay, all right again. Now, let's measure the height of the tumbler. Okay, who wants to measure the height of the tumbler? Okay, so today is February 4. Okay, let's have count off. Very fine. Okay, let's start. Count off from the back. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, since you are number 5, stand up. Okay, and then measure the height of the tumbler using ruler. Okay, come here. Tang tie. Okay, tang tie. Okay, tang tie. This is the How long is it? That's around. One, two, three. Okay, finished? Okay, so how long is it? Tangtai. 20 centimeters. Okay, very good. Thank you, Tangtai. Can you give Tangtai 2 claps? Silent on the first clap. Go. Again, 2 claps silent on the first clap for Tangtai. Go. Okay, thank you, Tangtai. You can sit down. Okay, that is 20 centimeters. Okay. Now, what is the total of the length of the bottle of water and then the length of the tumbler? Everyone? What's the answer? Okay, they have the same units, right? Which is cm. Okay, so if they have the same units, just copy the unit. Okay, everyone. 3 plus 0 is? 3. 3. 2 plus 2 is? 4. So our answer is 43 centimeters. Now let's check the height of the 2 objects using the... Oh, what's this? Okay, metal measuring tape. So I'm going to put the bottled water on top of the tumbler. And then I will measure the height using the metal measuring tape. Is this the height?
No!
Is this the height?
Yes!
Okay, one student,
Me!
hands down. Okay, since Tangtai answered us, okay, Tangtai, pick a number from 1 to 30. What's your number? Okay, just guess randomly. Okay, pick a number from 1 to 30. 17. Okay, so the number is 17. So let's count starting from Tangtai. Say 1. 17. Okay, Kanun, stand up. Okay, Kanun, measure the height of the 2 objects using metal measuring tape. Okay, Kanun. Yeah. Okay, so you start from the... Okay. Okay. 40, 41, 42. Okay, so how long is it, Kanun? Louder? 43 centimeters using the metal measuring tape. That means our answer is a big correct. Okay, let's give Kanon 2 claps. Ready, go. Okay, thank you, Kanon. Okay, so this time, I want you to use your rulers. Measure the length of your books and notebooks. Then I want you to find the total length of your book and your notebook in centimeters. Okay, if your ruler is small, then you borrow from your classmate. Okay. Go. The total length of your mathematics book and the mathematics notebook. Your answer should be in centimeters. Okay, I'll give you time.
25. 26.
Okay, everyone, hands up. Up. Down. Up. Everyone, hands up. Down. Give me one clap. Give me two claps. Raise your rulers. Get your ruler. Master. Rulers up. Down. Okay, hands on your desk. Sit properly. Hands on your desk and then sit properly. Now, what is the length of your mathematics book?
26.
Other measure 25, other measure 26. Okay, so you have different answers, so I'll measure. Okay, stop. I'll be the one to measure now.
20.
It is 26. Okay. What about your notebooks? Yes? 24. Okay, 24? Okay. Okay. This is 24. Correct? Now, what is the total length of the two objects? Go. Okay, on the board. Hands down. Canon answered last. So Canon, pick a number from 1 to 30. What's your number? Ten. The number is 10. Okay, let's start count off. Go. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so ikaw, what's the answer? The answer is, this is CM. Okay, that is 26 plus 24. 6 plus 4 is? Okay, what is 6 plus 4? 10. Okay, carry 1. Okay. 2 plus 2? 4. Plus 1? Okay, so the answer is 50 centimeters. So that is for addition. Now what if we will have subtraction? Okay, these numbers, let's use these numbers. I'll simply put minus. What's the answer? Faster! 3 centimeters. What's the answer? 2 centimeters. You got it? Okay. Now, everyone, open your notebooks. Write the date. Okay, once you finish writing the date, want you to write number 1. Eraser. Next time, don't make everything fall on the floor. Okay, ready now? Okay, let's have this exercise. Okay, so we have here rope A, which is 10 meter long. We have rope B, 8,000 centimeters long. So as what you can see, they have different. Go to the toilet. Yes, you can. I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay. So the length of the rope A is 10 meters. Well, the length of the rope B is 8,000 centimeters. Now, so what you can see, they have different units. Rope A, meter. It's in meter. Rope B is in centimeters. So this one, you have to convert. Okay, convert. I want your answers to be in centimeters. Okay, everyone, let's read. Rope A, go.
Rope A is
Meter long. Rope B is 8,000 centimeter long. The question is, what is the total length of rope A and rope B? I'll give you 2 minutes. Answer this problem. Again, I want your answers to be in centimeters. Who are finished? Raise your hands. Okay, down. Who are not finished? Raise your hands. Okay, down. 1 minute left. Okay, who are finished? Raise your hands. Okay, now. Okay, how long is rope A? 10 meters. How long is rope B? 8,000 centimeters. Again, I told you that your answer should be in centimeters. Is it centimeter?
No.
So it's not centimeters. So what should we do? We have to convert. Okay, 10 meters equals how many centimeters? This is?
10,000.
Okay, very good here. 10,000 centimeters. What about 8,000 centimeters? Is it in centimeters?
Yes.
Yes, so there's no need to change. There's no need to convert. Okay, so that is 8,000 centimeters. Now, what operation did you use? Addition or subtraction? Who used addition? Raise your hand. Down. Who used subtraction? Okay, no one used subtraction. Why did you use addition? What is the keyword? Okay, the keyword is total. So, of course, we should use addition. So that is 10,000 centimeters plus 8,000 centimeters. Okay, so they have the same units now, which is cm. Okay, just copy the unit. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. 1, 2, 3, put comma. 0 plus 8. 1 plus blank is? So the answer is 10,000 centimeters. Who got the correct answer? Again, done? Again, who got the correct answer? Okay. Almost 70%. Okay, very good. Done. Let's try the second problem. This time, you will find a difference of row A and row B. I want your answers to be in centimeters. Okay, once you finish, just wait. Check your answers. Double check. Okay. Who are finished? Raise your hand. Down. Who are not finished? Okay, now, for those who are not finished, you still have time. Okay, if you want to go to the toilet, you can raise your hand, okay? Okay, time's up. Everyone, close your notebooks. Hands on your desk. Okay, let's read again the word problem. Everyone, meter long. Rope is 11 centimeter long. The question is, go. Difference length of rope A and rope B. And for this one, I want volunteer to answer on the board. So we have 5 volunteers. Okay, down. The first one who can raise their ruler. Go. Okay, this you raise your ruler first. On the board. Check on, what's that? Your pencils flying? It has wings. Okay, everyone, hands on your desk. Okay. Now, time to convert. Okay. Don't forget the unit. It's very small. Cute. Yes. Okay, that's great. Okay, Candice, double check. Maybe you forgot something. Okay, there you go. Okay. Thank you, Candice. Candice answered 23,000 centimeters. Who has the same answer? Down. If you answered 23,000 centimeters, you are correct. Okay, since we only have 10 minutes left, we will answer 3 more questions. Okay, for this one, I will record your score. Okay, I'll give you already 2 points. Number 1, number 2. Let's continue. Number 3, go. For this one, I want your answers to be in centimeter again. That's number 3.
Finish.
Take your time. Don't rush your answer. Finish. Finish. I think time already.